how to make money with Amazon affiliate program. Hey guys, welcome to this new video. In today's video we're going to talk about making money by using Amazon affiliate program, which is a program by Amazon that allows website owners and bloggers to earn commissions by promoting Amazon products through affiliate links on their sites. When visitors click on these links and make purchases, the affiliates earn a percentage of the sale. It's a popular way for content creators to monetize their platforms while driving traffic to Amazon's products. So let's dive into it, guys, and let's see how we can start making money with this platform. So here we have the sign up button. So let's proceed to sign up. So this is the information that we need to fill. So guys, make sure we have to read this. Please read these instructions before you fill this form. So guys, make attention and fill this form with all your attention. So it's pretty much important. Don't make any mistakes. To list, the first one is to whom should we issue payments. We have the payee name. Give them the correct payee name. Don't make any mistakes. And here, give them your address line, your first address line. And make sure, guys, don't make any mistakes filling this form, because it's very important, guys. Just the first address is the important one. The second and the third are optional. You give them your city, and your state, province, or region. So you give them your state, province, or region, and your postal code, and your country. You choose your country from here. So let's look for our country, and then we give them our state, province, or region, then our postal code. Then we put our phone number, so I'm going to give them my phone number and I'm going to get back with you. So after filling the account information, we proceed to the website and mobile app list. And also make sure to read this. Please read these instructions before you fill this form. List all the top level websites or mobile apps on which you plan to display banners, widgets, special links, or other ads from Amazon associates. You need to add at least one website or mobile app. You can add up to 50 websites or mobile apps. So here, guys, you will give them the place that you will promote their offers in. So if you have a website, you give them the link of your website, and if you have a mobile app, you give them the link of the mobile app right here. So I'm going to give them a website link and getting back with you soon. So after giving them at least one link or one URL, you hit next. Are any of the traffic sources listed above directed primarily at children under 13? These traffic sources are not eligible to display banners, widgets, special links, or other ads from Amazon associates. You are required to declare this information. So you answer by yes or no. So for me it's yes. Please check all the websites and mobile apps that are directly primary at children under 13. Sorry, it's no. Then you hit confirm, and here you proceed to your profile. Important, please read these instructions before you fill this form. So make sure guys to not make any mistake. What is your preferred associates store ID? You give them your preferred associates store ID. You tell them about the content you create. Which of the following best describes your content or niche website? Comparison shopping engine, coupons or deal website, blog, search. You choose the one that suits you. How did you hear about them? You select one of those, and then you write or you go through the CAPTCHA. You type it right here, and then you hit finish to proceed to start using Associates Central. So I'm going to fill this information and get back with you. So after filling all the information, we proceed to the last step. Thank you for applying to the Amazon.com Associates program. This is your unique associate ID right here in this color. And if you want to read this, then the last step is to enter your payment and tax information. So you write a password to sign in. You go first to your email and you will get the password from your email, and then you will sign in and you will be able to give them your payment processors. So I'm going to get the password from my email and sign in. So guys, you won't find any message in your email to verify your account. You need to wait for some time for your website or the place that you will promote the Amazon products in to be verified by the platform, and then they will decide if they are going to approve your account or not. Just make sure to check your email from time to time, and then you will find your message right in there. If not, you wait for 10 days to 8 days, and then you reapply for the platform and you choose a different website and you work on your website also, or you choose a different platform to promote the products in the Amazon Associates. So that's it for today's video guys. I hope you find it useful. Don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel and share the video with your friends.